So here we have the Fincci Nave 60 TPI Defender nylon belts. They are foldable, very lightweight, very convenient to have as a spare, put in your bag. You know, if you like to carry spares, this is a very convenient one. Does have an extra nylon layer for puncture protection. They do have a city profile, but let's open it and see how wide they are. So these are directional. So we can see here, they do have a indicator right here. The rotation has an arrow pointing towards the front. The treads as well. They have almost like an arrow that will also go towards the front. Here's the size. Then if I want to just store it, have it as a backup. Can